Communication systems. Since we cannot use the voice as a means of communication underwater, we are forced to invent different systems. But even on the surface, it is often not easy for a freediver to talk. If there are waves and you take the snorkel out of your mouth, you may inadvertently swallow water. For all these reasons, divers generally communicate using hand signals, which must be coded so as to be immediately understandable. Fortunately for us, the signals used by divers are practically the same all over the world and allow us to communicate simple concepts with divers from any country. However, it is not enough to give a signal. You need to be sure that your dive buddy has completely understood what we want to communicate. There are therefore precise procedures to be implemented. The first step is to get the attention of those who must receive the signal. Before giving a signal in the water, you must be sure that the person to whom it is addressed is actually looking at you. The signal must be simple, unambiguous and previously agreed. Signals that are too complex are often not understood. There cannot be signals that are too similar, as they are ambiguous and could be misinterpreted by the recipient. Finally, there is no point in inventing a signal in the water. If it has not been agreed with the buddy before, it will be difficult to understand. To be sure that the communication has been effective, you must wait for the received signal. The best way to confirm you have understood what another diver wants to communicate is to repeat the signal and then give the OK sign. If you do not agree, you can answer no and repeat your signal. In this way, you indicate that you understand the request, but you do not agree with it. Naturally, for this communication system to be effective, it must be immediately understood by both dive buddies. So it is always best to review all the most important and specific general signals that you might need with your dive buddy before venturing into the water. Freedivers do not only communicate with each other in the water, but also with the person who takes care of the assistance on the boat or on the shore. You cannot always do this using your voice. The distance, the wind, rough seas can complicate communications. It is therefore necessary that the assistant also participates in the review of the general and specific signals.